What is going on, everybody? I'm going to be doing a video talking about my loss. So yes, I did lose around $1,100, but it's only a challenge account. So I know I did put in there that I did lose 1,100. Technically I didn't, but towards my challenge to get myself funded, I did lose that amount of money. So it is a percentage of the account down. So I'm going to be going over the video here, over GJ, the trade I did take, and what I did wrong with it. So starting out here on the weekly, as you can see, as I did say in my last video, we do have some resistance here. We have 1, 2, and now this third week that's closing in about 15 hours from now. A lot of rejection from the upside. Going down to the daily time frame here, we did see a big push up. The reason why I did take buys in this area, it did break above this zone, coming back down, going down to a 4-hour time frame. I did kind of go outside my trading plan. I tried more of an aggressive entry when I shouldn't have. It's something I'm definitely going to learn from, and I'm going to document, and I'm going to back test and forward test before I implement into a challenge. I do want to be transparent with everything I do on this account and on this YouTube channel, so you guys can learn from our mistakes and kind of shorten that learning curve so you can become a better trader. So the reason why I did take this, we did see a break and retest here. So let me just draw this out. Coming down, breaking these highs, coming back down here, having a big, let me change this, a big rejection candle here. I did go on a lower time frame. I did take that as a signal to go into a lower time frame. I was looking at the hour and also 30-minute and 15-minute, kind of cohesive together. We did see a bullish engulfing from here. I did enter off of this, and as soon as we got into the trade, boop, hit my stop loss. In the moment, I was a little upset because, one, I did go outside my trading plan, which I shouldn't have, and two, I should have never taken the trade. The only reason why I got emotional during it was because I went outside my trading plan. When you stay inside a trading plan and you're confident behind that trading plan, there should be almost little to no emotion into it. So going outside of that, I did experience some emotional highs. As in not as in highs, but as in just kind of my emotions weren't running on high. I was feeling like, dang, like I lost this trade. This is going against my trading plan. Am I a good trader? Am I a bad trader? And those are the emotions that we're going through. If I kept with my initial plan, this trade would have never happened, and I would have never had those emotions. So take this from me. Do follow inside your rules, and in all conditions of the market, please assess what you're doing before you enter a trade. I'm going to be going through the rest of these pairs here to kind of put together my next week's analysis. I am not trading tonight nor tomorrow because NFP is tomorrow. If you guys don't know what NFP is, it has unemployment changes and things like that for the US. It's a very big economic event. So, and it happens on the first Friday of every month, and tomorrow is the first. So that is happening. Once again, you guys can go on forexfactory.com to look at all the economic data that does come out, and you can stay up to date with that, so you can kind of stay away from those trades for that pair, or you can use that to your advantage to take some trades. So looking at GJ for the rest of the week and leading into next week, I do want to see a rejection, another rejection from this area here, going down, breaking these lows. If I can find this, breaking these lows here, coming up and coming down. We do see a big bearish signal here just in general. 1, 2, 3 weeks. Once again, rejection from this area, and also a weekly supply and demand zone that I have here. Because looking back in time, we do have We do have a touch here, and touch here, and touch in this area as well. So this is a pretty heavy zone. I would try to stay away from buys personally. If you were to take buys, I would want to see price come up above here, breaking these highs, coming back down, and taking it to the next weekly. We do have to see how NFP plays out tomorrow and how Sunday opens up. I don't personally take a lot of trades on Sundays since there's not a lot of volume in the market. Usually Monday after New York session is when I start taking trades. Going to gold here. Not a lot happened. Some resistance in this area. Coming down, I am looking for a retest of the zone and a continuation back to these highs here. We could see a break under this as well. And coming back down to these lows, because we do have a small support here, kind of leading into this as well. This is a kind of a big zone. So if it breaks under, it's definitely going to take a short. Going to GU here. We do see this bearish candlestick coming down, retesting and rejecting these highs. So we could expect a continuation down to the lows. Right now, we do have some internal structure happening here. We have a higher high, possibly a higher low. I do want to see price come down below here.
User disconnected from your channel.
These lows. Going to the hour time frame. I don't want to really trade intraday as much anymore. After that last trade I did take, because I was looking at the lower time frames, but I am still learning at this moment. Looking at Euro USD, we could see continuation to the upside. Seeing how Friday plays out, we could see a push up during NFP. We do have a bearish engulfing here, but we are riding this support, so we could expect a push to the upside looking like this here. Or possibly breaking these lows, coming up, coming down, like that. I will be remarking my charts on Sunday, so I might come out with a video if I do see a big difference in kind of zones. Other than that, I just want to go over this once again. Please, please follow your trading plan. Do not go outside of it because you will regret it. That's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I will be posting this video on Friday in the middle of the day. Right now it's Thursday night. Other than that, have a great trading week next week.